What is up, trappers? We are back, and check this out. You see that up there? Oh yeah, we are rained out. Everything is wet. It's not too cold. It's a little chilly. I got the hoodie on, but I'm just kind of just sitting here in the passenger seat of the Jag for a minute, taking a break. I was out taking some pictures of everything wetted up and with the leaves, everything. Just kind of hanging out for a minute, checking it out. But as you can see, it's a lot of rain, guys. A lot of rain. But anyway, I've been inside most of the day, just going through videos, watching videos. Jonathan, he was here earlier. We watched some of the clips from the show. Just so much, guys. We had a real good year. So I want to get back in here shortly and get editing clips and get this stuff up to you guys. But I had to make a video shout out today to say what's up to everybody. And this is what's going on. So that's what it's up to, guys. We're rained out. I had to sit in the cat for a minute today. I love this car. It's so much fun. The block bullies over there. Just chilling, man. It got leaves all over it. I picked them off. Now it's just chilling. But I'm going to get out of this wet rain, guys. I'm going to get inside where it's warm. I'm thinking a nice hot bowl of chili. That sounds real good tonight with this cold and the rain. That's what it is. So if you're here just checking out the videos, make sure to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff, guys. Keep on trapping. We'll see you in the next clip.